What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix Windows 10 slow after update. In this video we will talk about the method which you can use to fix this problem, and I'm pretty sure after you implement these method your problem gonna be resolved. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, do not forget to click on subscribe button, select all to the bell notification, give a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. Method 1. Uninstall latest update. Here you have to uninstall the latest update because like there could be a Windows update bug which causing a problem to your Windows. So what you can do, you can simply uninstall the latest updates. To uninstall the latest update, click on the start, click on the settings, click on update and security. Here you can see view update history and click on uninstall updates. When you click on uninstall update, this screen will pop up in front of you and you can see the information in here. When was the last time you updated your Windows 10 and what updates installed on your PC. Alright, as you can see, it loaded every information in here and I haven't done any kind of update. However, it's showing me an option that I have done some kind of update, or it was failed to installed on 12/25/2021. So there was some kind of setting which I have done, that's why it's not able to update. But you'll see the updates information in here with the name, with the program and the version and the publisher date and when it got installed. So just check the date, the latest date, and select that and you'll get an option here to uninstall. Just simply uninstall it and make sure when you uninstall these updates you pause the updates for 7 days. It's really important for you to pause the update for 7 days because whenever you uninstall the updates and you do the restart on your Windows 10 PC, that time it automatically install all of those updates back to your Windows 10 PC. So it's important for you to pause the update first and then after uninstall the updates, and after uninstalling restart your computer. I'm pretty sure your problem gonna be resolved. If not, then follow our other methods. Method 2. Repair file. Here click on the Windows search, or you can click on the start and type in here cmd. Click here run as administrator, click yes, and here you have to type a command sfc /scan now. All commands are mentioned in the description, so you can copy that command from the description. Press enter. After running this command you have to restart your PC. I ran this command a lot of times on my PC and I haven't restarted my PC. So that's why I'm getting this thing, Windows Resource Protection could not be start the repair services, because I haven't repaired all of the file, not even once, since I ran this command a lot of time in my Windows 10 PC. I haven't restarted, that's why I'm getting this. But you'll see something like it's gonna start verifying, and after the verification simply just restart your PC and check that if that helps you to fix a problem. If not, you have to run the other commands, and that command is mentioned in the description. These are the DISM commands, so you have to type in here cmd, click on run as administrator, click yes, and here you have to type the DISM command. You have to paste all of the command one by one. The first command is mentioned in the description is DISM online cleanup -image /CheckHealth. You simply have to copy that command and paste it in here in your CMD and run that command. And afterwards, after running the first command, you have to go with the second command and run that. And again, you have to do with the same thing with the third command and restart your PC afterwards and check that if that helps you to fix the problem. Method 3. Stop background app. Click on the start, click on the settings, click on the privacy, scroll it down. You can see the background apps, click on it, and from here you can stop the background apps. In most of the cases it has been updated on Tech Forum that this thing helped them to solve the problem, so you can simply turn off the background app and that could help you to solve your problem. Method 4. Clean boot. Here you have to start your Windows 10 with the minimum service running in the background, so you have to stop all unwanted application or the services which comes up when you start your PC. So you have to stop those services and then you have to restart your computer. For that, type the command in here in the run, type in here msconfig, click on open, Here you can see the services. Click this option, hide all Microsoft services. And you can see these are the services which you have to disable. Click on disable all, click on apply, OK, and it will ask you to restart your PC. Simply restart your PC. Method 5. System restore. In this method, you have to restore your Windows to the back date when your PC was working perfectly fine. For that, you have to type in here a command restorehealth. Click on open. Here you can see restore file and setting. As you can see, I do not have any restore point, so let me quickly create a restore point. You will not gonna have a problem with it. So I just created a restore point to make sure you'll see all the options. Alright, I think it didn't take that much time to create the restore point on my PC. Once you'll type that command restorehealth, you'll see a screen like this, and then click on next and select your restore point. You'll see an option in here to show more restore point. Just check that box and you'll see the list of restore point was created when you uninstalled any program or you have installed a new update or something like that. Most of the time this option shows like an automatic. Just select that, click next and finish and restore your PC to the back date. So that's all for today. I hope this will help you to solve your problem. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.